Don't miss out on SiteGround's biggest sale of the year. The SiteGround Black Friday deals are now officially live. It's time to score unbeatable savings on your SiteGround hosting plan. You get up to 88% off SiteGround web hosting, getting web hosting for as low as $199 a month, plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the SiteGround Black Friday deals, click the link in the description below to get your SiteGround Black Friday discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the SiteGround Black Friday page. You'll see you'll get up to 88% off running as low as $199 a month. You get this pricing on the popular SiteGround shared web hosting plans, managed WordPress hosting plans, and WooCommerce hosting plans. I'll click the web hosting plans here. I'll scroll down to the plans. You get the startup plan for as low as $199 a month. The GrowBig plan you'll get for as low as $399 a month. And the GoGeek plan you can get for as low as $599 a month. I'll choose the plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a free domain name. You can select existing domain if you already own a domain name. On the next page, enter your account information, client information, payment information, and extra services. You get the best deal with the 12-month term. Enjoy your SiteGround Black Friday deal so you can save money on your SiteGround web hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.